This beef and cabbage soup turned out amazing. I am so glad I decided to make this today. It was so simple to make. I just added a dollop of sour cream to my soup and it's just like perfect. You guys have definitely got to make this. I just started by dicing up about 3 or 4 carrots. And then I added a small white onion as part of my vegetables. In my pot, I added a couple teaspoons of olive oil. Then I threw in my carrots and my onions and cooked them till they were getting a little bit soft. And I do actually like a little char on them. And then I added some salt and pepper. Then gave them a little bit of a stir. I added 1 pound of ground beef and 3 teaspoons of minced garlic to the pot. I also added some paprika. The recipe is going to be below for you guys, so you don't have to write this down. And I also added some garlic powder and onion powder and some Italian seasoning to finish off the spices. And just give it a really good stir and mince all that meat up. When the meat was all browned, I added some soy sauce and some Worcestershire sauce. Some tomato paste. And I was just eyeballing all of these ingredients, but I will put the recipe below. And also some brown sugar. And of course mixed all that through. And you might think it was sweet because of the brown sugar, but it was definitely not. My cabbage is going in. Try to cut it up fairly small so it cooks faster. And then some diced tomatoes. Some beef broth. I put 4 cups of beef broth in. But as the cabbage cooks down, it will create some more moisture. So don't add any more than what the recipe says. And give it a good stir. It looks and smells amazing. So I cooked it on high to bring it to a boil and then lowered it and cooked it for about 30 to 45 minutes, just until all my vegetables were cooked through. My God, you guys, this was such a great soup. And I know you all think that cabbage soup is for weight loss. Of course, it is a healthy soup, but I wasn't making it for weight loss, trust me. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.